Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce without brown sugar. Start by gathering substitutes like honey, molasses, maple syrup, or coconut sugar and measure your spices. I'll guide you through balancing sweet, acidic, and smoky flavors, adjusting heat, and achieving the right thickness. You'll learn quick stovetop techniques, how to taste and tweak, and simple storage tips so your sauce stays vibrant and ready for grilling. Begin with a basic base of ketchup or strained tomato sauce and slowly add sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, starting with 2 tablespoons. Use molasses sparingly for depth, about 1 tablespoon, and adjust to taste. Add vinegar for brightness and soy sauce or Worcestershire for umami. Keep a small bowl for taste tests and record amounts so you can recreate your favorite balance next time you cook. Simmer your sauce gently over low to medium heat to meld flavors and avoid burning. If too thin, reduce by simmering uncovered or whisk in a small cornstarch slurry. If too thick, thin with water or vinegar. Taste frequently and cool to room temperature before refrigerating. Flavors will deepen overnight, and reheating briefly will restore texture and loosen sweetness for serving. Store in a sealed jar for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.